Hi, good day, everyone. You're welcome to analysis for 28th of October 2019. Okay. Um, Thank you very much for coming around and staying tuned. Quite appreciate you for um, giving us this opportunity to actually share our views with you. Okay. And I also solicit for you to actually subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our page, and you can also comment and turn off the notification bell so that you'll be able to get updates on our videos whenever they are released into the channel. Okay, so first and foremost, I want to be looking into the GDP pair this week. Yeah, very nice setups that I have been able to see. Let me just pick it one after the other. Okay, we're looking into the GDP AUD on the daily time frame. Right here you can see very nice setup around here. You can see how nicely this is, and you can see a very nice pullback and support line turning into a resistance line. Okay, hopefully we'll be able to have a nice entry around here, and we'll look at the volatility in the GDP pair for more uptrend region right here. Okay, and this is more or less interesting. If we see further pullback down, we'll be able to have a nice entry into this region. You can see it there. Yeah, depending on how it is, but hopefully this is positions that we'll be actually looking into. Okay, so that's for GDP AUD. Let's go to GDP USD. Very nice setup right here. You can also see seen from around March, April, you've been seeing this trend line being respected, and eventually we had a cross right here in this trend line after this very nice pull up into this area. Okay, and also we can also see a kind of a range breaking out of the range region. Okay, right here, and also a very nice breakout right there too. So we'll be seeing a pullback into this region for further upward trend. So if we have something here, then we'll be able to take this trade, hopefully. Yeah, so these are my major guys I'll be looking into this week. Once I have this set up, then we'll be able to get into the trade. So you could also look into that aspect also. So let's look at GDP NED. Very nice. On the Netherlands, we see very nice support area right there, and I would have loved the price to still kick down into this region for a better entry. Okay, so I'll be looking at this region, which is going to be very interesting for us to actually buy it, hopefully with the understanding that we are in uptrend presently. So we could be looking for a further opportunity to actually kick into this this region. Okay, so let's look into GDP share also. Very nice setup right here too. Few things I want to point out. We are still trying to beat into the range region. You can see right here, and price also pulling into that region. But then a lot of people will want to also see this as a nice region for support. Okay, probably we have something into this region, but then we have price breaking to the upside of the 200 moving average. We could also have a sustainability into this region, and if you look properly into this, you probably will be having very nice support area right there, which could also hit price to actually get into a further uptrend position. Okay, so we can't but throw the odds away. We might also see a possibility that price will also want to get down into this region also. Okay, yeah, into this region, and for us to have a further opportunity to get into the market. So on the GDP shelf, we'll be looking at it, but we'll kind of expect that with the GDP correlation could help us to take a very nice position. So if we have a very nice setup around this region, the GDP USD could give us a very nice correlation into the other GDP pairs for us to take possible entry point, and we'll be able to take few profit from that. Okay, so far so good. GDP, we'll look into the Euro USD, very nice setup, still in a downward trend. We've not fully broken into the bias into the bias region. Okay, we're still right in the sellers region, as long as we are still under the 200 moving average. So but then we are in a very nice support area here, resistance around this region, and we are getting into the support area. So it will be interesting for us to have a opportunity to take the price up here, and we'll be looking at these nice resistance area. If we had a break into this region, then we'll be looking at further upward region, but right here will be a very nice entry point for us to actually get into the market and take a few pips from there. Okay, so that's about the Euro USD. Also on the AUD USD, you could also see that again, very nice set up into the resistance area right there. You can see, okay, price continues to respect that line. You can see right there, and a seat on this place will actually pause with a further upward trend into the market. So yeah, let's look at USD JPY. Yeah, USD JPY still price struggling underneath the 200 moving average, with the nice resistance area there. So could also have a pullback into this region, will give us an opportunity to actually look for further buying opportunities. But if we have this, and we can actually look into this area properly, whatever breakouts we have into this area, then we'll be able to find a very good position to actually take a trade. So looking into this might be very nice for us to actually understand what the buyers are doing, but there are no serious movement presently on the USD JPY pair. So we may not be 100% focusing on the USD JPY for now, but then let's look at USD JPY, USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD could see a double top around this region, still expecting price to pull back into this region for a proper opportunity to actually buy right there into the upward trend. And so far so good. You see price actually getting into sellers region, A pullback into this region may actually pull us into further the 200 moving average coming into this area, and might actually have a further downward trend to look into. So far so good. That is what we have been able to spot out in today's market analysis. We hope this week is going to be fantastic for us to actually take some nice trades. So I expect you to be careful, use your money management properly, and try as much as possible to eliminate fear when you are taking your trades. I hope you guys have a very nice time trading this week. Till we see tomorrow, by God's grace. From me, I'm signing out.